Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix no audio in Clash Royale. If Clash Royale isn't giving you any sound, don't worry. This is a common issue that's usually easy to fix. First, check if your game is updated by heading to the App Store or Google Play Store, since outdated versions can cause problems. If everything's up to date, restart the game. It sounds simple, but it often solves most quick glitches. Next, open your in-game settings from the top right corner and make sure the music and sound effects toggles are on, and double check your device volume as well. If the problem persists, you can try clearing the app's cache through your device settings, which removes unused files that may interfere with audio. As a last resort, reinstalling the game can reset everything. But don't worry, if your account is linked to Supercell ID, all progress is safe and you can log back in without losing anything. With the steps, your Clash Royale battles should sound just as epic as they look. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.